A Chime verification failure usually happens because the app can't confirm your identity, verify your personal information, or complete a required security check. Identifying the exact step that's failing is the fastest way to get your account working. By the end, you'll know the most common causes of Chime verification errors and the practical fixes that usually resolve them. Start by checking the information you entered. Confirm that your legal name, date of birth, phone number, email address, and home address exactly match your official records. A simple typo, an outdated phone number, or an incorrect address can prevent Chime from completing identity verification. Next, review your identity documents. If Chime asks you to upload a government-issued ID, take the photos in bright lighting and make sure the entire document is visible. Avoid blurry images, glare, or cropped edges, because automated verification systems may reject unreadable documents. If a selfie is required, remove anything covering your face and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Now, check your phone verification. If you're waiting for a text message with a verification code, make sure your phone has a reliable cellular signal and can receive SMS messages. Don't request multiple codes in rapid succession, because each new request can invalidate the previous one. Wait a few minutes, request another code, and use the newest one immediately. Your internet connection also matters. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data before trying again. If you're connected through a VPN, disable it temporarily since additional network security can sometimes interfere with account verification. Next, update the Chime app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. New versions often include fixes for verification, login, and account connection issues. If you've already submitted your identification, avoid uploading the same documents repeatedly unless Chime specifically requests another submission. Verification reviews can take time, and sending duplicate documents usually doesn't speed up the process. If everything appears correct but verification still fails, the problem may be caused by temporary server maintenance or a service interruption. Waiting a short time before trying again can often resolve issues that aren't related to your account. If the error continues after trying these steps, contact Chime support through the app or the official support channels. They can review your verification status, explain why your account wasn't approved, and tell you if additional information is required. To recap, verify your personal details, submit clear identification, use a stable internet connection, keep the app updated, and contact Chime support if verification still doesn't complete. If this guide helped you fix your Chime verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more banking app troubleshooting guides and financial app tutorials.